If you have scrolled through TikTok lately and heard a voice that sounds suspiciously like Marge Simpson singing about green tea desserts, you've officially been hit by the Matcha Cake brain rot. Welcome back to Trends Deep Dive. Today, we're looking at the Marge Cooks phenomenon, the 4-ingredient song that's stuck in everyone's head, and the massive civil war happening in the comment sections. The meme originates from an account called Marge Cooks, where a Marge Simpson-inspired persona explains, why buy an expensive matcha cake when you only need 4 ingredients and a few minutes to make it yourself? It sounds like a normal cooking tip, but the delivery and the song-like rhythm turned it into a massive viral sound. Now everyone is repeating the line like a mantra, and creators are recreating the video with 100% accuracy, right down to the muncher energy. But the internet is currently split right down the middle on this one. On one side, you have the fans who think Marge making a matcha cake is peak cinema. They're following the recipe and aura farming with their green aesthetic. On the other side, you have people who are genuinely beefing in the comments, calling the trend absolutely corny, and wondering why the internet has lost its mind over 4 ingredients. I don't think the actual creators of The Simpsons have any idea what's happening here, but they're underestimating the power of the matcha demographic. Matcha is huge right now, especially with the clean girl aesthetic and the performative males who make liking green tea their entire personality. When you take that cultural obsession and add a cartoon mom into the mix, it's basically deuces for the FYP. Whether you think it's a genius recipe or just more 2026 brain rot, Marge Cooks has everyone reaching for the whisk. So, are you ready to make your own expensive matcha cake at home, or are you on the side calling this trend straight corny? Let us know in the comments. Is Marge the new queen of the kitchen, or is the muncher lifestyle too much for you? If you want to dive deeper into the recipes and memes of 2026, make sure to subscribe to Trends Deep Dive. I'll see you in the next one.